Okay, guys, welcome to the show. So today we have a special guest. So let's talk about our special guest, and then we'll talk about what we're doing down here, okay? All right, my brother, you guys know my brother Charles. You've seen him on the other channel I did, F as in Frank. Okay, so my other brother wants to get in on the action and have discussions with me about topics on F as in Frank, and that'll be coming. We'll let you know sometime in January, probably, right?
I never said get in on the action. That was
Come on over here.
That was never the conversation. That was a whole conversation I don't even remember having. Like get in on.
It was your idea
Yeah, but I didn't
to
say,
have a show where we talked about.
We need to get on the action. What can I do?
Well, come on over here. All right, so I'm gonna need assistance. Usually, my wife helps me.
All right.
We're gonna score the fat. Normally, you guys see me score the fat crisscross, but since we're doing prime rib, we're gonna do it the 500 method. If you don't know about the 500 method, it's the way to make perfect prime rib. We're gonna put it in. For every pound is 5 minutes at 500 degrees. Okay? Then you turn the stove off and leave it closed for 2 hours, and it will come out perfect. That's what they say, but I've never done it, so we're gonna do it today on the show.
All right. So it says 5.35. How long are you leaving in there for?
5.35 times 5. Whatever that is. I'm gonna get I don't have my calculator.
I don't know what that is. All right. Good.
All right?
Yeah.
That's it. Just 5 minutes per pound. So you multiply. What? Stop.
What is it?
Like 28
My
minutes.
wife, the mathematician. Thank you, honey, for chiming in.
It's 28 minutes. It
5
stays.
times 5 is 25.
So it stays in the oven for 28 minutes.
20, no, it stays on in there cooked for 28 minutes at 500 degrees.
No.
That doesn't
Yes.
make sense at all.
No.
Leave it in the oven.
Five times 5 is 25. 0.35 times 5 is not 3 more minutes.
Okay, so then it's like 27 minutes roughly.
Okay, please, stop.
I was rounding.
You'll cut all this out.
Yeah.
All right. Let's
Yeah, that's
move
all
on.
getting cut out. That's
Don't
all
leave out
going.
bloopers or something.
All right. So anyway, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to open the prime rib, we're going to season it, and then we'll put it in the oven. So give us a second.
Is that too much?
And just slowly. Yep, there you go. Go, keep moving. Move more. There you go. Perfect. That's enough. And then do the same thing with the pepper. Good. Because we're not seasoning the entire
Even though I
steak.
put my hand
Only
in
the
there.
no. As long as your hand's clean right now.
Yeah.
Even though it was in the salt, yes.
All right.
And then pepper it carefully. Pull it out. It's not. It's been sitting for 2 hours and no, the oven wasn't on. Set it right up here. No matter what.
Well,
Okay.
It doesn't. Like, why am I having?
Now what you're gonna do is
Like, why am I having these gloves on? It's like, it's not even hot. I could have used my tongue. It would have been fine.
okay. Look, smart Alec.
What?
Okay,
Yeah, just like that. You want 6 slices.
Am I gonna hit bone?
No, it's boneless.
Oh.
I had Sam's Club cut it.
Oh, is there always is prime rib always boneless?
Turn
No,
it sideways so they can see.
No, there is a rib with that. They just didn't have it.
My brother has never filmed before. That looks gorgeous. And that's it.
And I don't cook.
That's the money shot right there. They see the rareness. They see the moisture. They look how beautiful it is. It's done.
Yeah, it's beautiful, but that's done for too much for me.
Cut 6.
Taller?
oh my god, does it really matter?
It does.
I don't
Short
freaking
people.
care how.
It matters.
I don't care how tall he
There's
is.
a
It
step
matters.
stool right
You
there.
know what's the advantage of
I'm
being?
not that
Wait,
short.
the
But I don't need-
advantage
I don't need to
of
lose like
being
an inch and a
short.
half.
Hold on. The advantage for being short
Yeah.
is I'm closer to the food than you are.
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
Yeah, that's not important to me.
It takes
I'm
less
just
time
saying
to get it
short.
to my mouth. All right, you ready?
I love it.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I was
right.
ready. I was ready an hour ago.
That's a huge piece.
Wait, I was gonna totally have that piece. I
Here,
was so-
take the
oh,
fork.
all right.
Give me your fork.
Oh, no, I feel
I don't
weird.
care.
No, I feel weird.
It's all
Who's
okay.
gonna help him when he
This
chops
is
on the meat?
No.
as
I
you
don't.
saw, perfect prime rib for your.
Oh, was you supposed to?
You gotta
Okay.
do this.
Okay, I guess we're trying it.
I'm sorry.
What? You would think you were
I'm sorry.
Jack
All right.
Jr.'s father
All right,
because
I-
Jack Jr. does that. He don't wait for nothing. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try it now. Mmm.
I'm not want
What?
I'm not want to eat.
You don't want to eat? Why? Why?
It makes me laugh.
No, what's so funny about it? I'm just chilling. Get out of here.
See? I think I want more salt on it.
It's good, huh? Grab the salt.
I'm sorry, what?
Grab the salt.
All right.
You know what? You know why I don't put them in videos, right?
That's not why.
No, because you're crazy.
Am I taller now?
Yeah, you can be as tall as you want. I don't care.
I know, but I don't.
Here, how's that? You feel better?
I do actually.
All right.
I do actually.
I hope your head hit the pot.
Oh God, I wish I was that tall. All right. So how do I do this? Like,
Just take a little bit and just do this.
but I have to wash my hands each time, right?
No, mine's clean.
It was. I didn't see you wash your hands.
Yeah. I washed them in the bathroom. I'm totally fine. Don't worry
But
about
you've
it.
been walking around the kitchen like.
No, it's fine.
Okay,
You got
great.
salt on it. Now try it.
Yeah. You
Try it
just
again.
Use your dirty hand.
No, my hand's clean. I don't put
All
it
right.
anywhere.
Oh, I need a knife. I was like,
Here you go.
all right.
Oh, no, wait. Let me
What?
get you the new steak knives. Hold on. Sorry about that. You come over here.
All right.
There's the new steak knife. Now
All right.
try and cut with it and tell me. Does the knife cut well?
Yeah.
Make sure you season heavily because only the outer rim gets seasoning. And you want everybody at your Christmas party to enjoy it.
That's really good.
Really good?
Yeah.
All right. So that's it. So you've met my brother for the first time, Jim, and you'll see more of him on another channel that we're working on. So we'll be telling you more details about that later. Love you guys. Bye.